Hi guys, how can you create this mystical spirit portrait effect in Photoshop like this? Open your image in Photoshop. Right-click the main image layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Drag the layer to the plus icon to create a duplicate copy. Now go to Image Adjustments Black and White. Press OK. Go to Filter Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set the radius around 1.1 pixels and press OK. Again, go to Filter Noise, add noise. Set the amount to 20%, then press OK. Now select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle on the canvas. Add a layer mask to the rectangle layer. Press Ctrl plus I to invert the mask. Double-click the rectangle layer to open blending options. Enable stroke. Set the position to outside and the size to 5 pixels. Press OK. And that's it. This is how you can create a mystical spirit portrait effect in Photoshop.